Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a very interesting strategy. Okay, before that, I would like to share that my journey in trading. At one point, I was like trying to find out who are the most profitable retail trader in this world. So after I have done some research, I find that the only trader or the retail trader in the world that are able to move the market are actually the Japanese retail trader. So I got excited and curious. So I actually explore and try to search on their trading method. So I went on the internet, the YouTube to find more resource. But there is a deadhead, because uh, most of the Japanese guru, they do not actually expose their technique to the public. They only use it among themselves. So I was fortunate that I do have colleagues or friends who are Japanese and are living in Japan. So I tried to contact some of them. So this particular lady managed to link up with me with a Japanese retail trader. So I'm fortunate to actually learn personally, fly to Japan and learn from the Japanese mentor itself. So today I'm going to share with you guys the basic aspect, and hopefully you guys can digest some knowledge from this. So okay, what does the Japanese retail trader trade using? Okay, so first they are trading using the Bollinger Band standard 2 deviation. So the next one, okay, what indicator do they use? Okay, so they use a simple moving average 14 over here. So the rules is very simple for entry. So remember, rules for entry very simple. When the moving average 14 cut across the center Bollinger Band, we look for a buy. When it cut the center of the Bollinger Band, we do a sell. It cuts up, okay, we do a buy. For this, we hit by a stop loss. And over here, it cuts, we do a sell. Over here, it cut the moving average, cut across, we do a buy. Same over here, we do a sell, price start to retrace, and later there's a cross, and there is a sell. So very simple. The Japanese very unique, and why they use a indicator is for ease of reference, because some trading strategy there is a lot of subjective rule, like for instance area of support and resistance. So trader will like wondering, is it over here, resistance, no, where is it, so this is a trading with rule based strategy, so people can actually follow or can duplicate. Okay, so very simple entry. So the next one is, along the way as a trader, I've mentioned just now the support and resistance area are area of interest. So it is very subjective that even as an experienced trader, we sometimes being over analytic. We try to analyze where is the area of support and resistance that we are too occupied. We should actually have a trading system that is so simple that we don't overthink, because when as a trader, when we overthink, we become paralyzed. We can't decide whether to do a buy or sell. Okay, so over here we have a custom indicator of support and resistance to solve this problem. So for instance, when if you do a buy and there is a resistance that put number 4, so this is a very strong resistance, so it's time for you to exit. Or when there is a sell signal, okay, so the rule is when the moving average cross the center Bollinger Band, so you see that on top, oh, there is a number 4, the strongest of the resistance, meaning it's good for me to do a sell. Okay, and over here there is a rule to enter a buy. So if we just use the moving average rules to do a buy, we will be hit by a stop loss. But because of the resistance showing number 2, it is telling us that, okay, number 2 compared to number 4, so meaning it is stronger. 4 is bigger than number 2, so we shouldn't do a buy over here. Okay, and over here there is a moving average cross the center Bollinger Band, the simple rules. So the resistance over here is number 2 and here is number 4, so it's telling us to do a short against the strong resistance. So it managed to filter. Okay, filter. And over here there is a trading rules of moving average cross asking us to do a buy over here. Okay, we do a buy, we see over here there is a resistance number 3. It is stronger than number 2, so we know that, okay, it can goes up beyond this number 2, but it will not go beyond this number 4. So this is a guide for you guys, who are confused or do not know how to actually spot a support and resistance. But with this method, it will save us as a trader time figuring out where are the area of support and resistance. Okay, so this is the custom indicator for you guys. And the next one is area of liquidity. So okay, let me just explain over here. So the first rule is that when the moving average 14 cross the center Bollinger Band, we want to do a short. Okay, so we want to do a sell. Okay, so when you sell, you see the price start to move. Okay, move. But once they enter the cloud or the Ichimoku cloud, there will be low liquidity, so we will be stuck over here, you know, very long over here. So the idea of having this cloud is to spot the area of liquidity so that we will not be stuck in our trade. Okay, for this instant over here, if it were to ask we ought to do a long, okay, the support and resistance prevent us to do a long because of the small number of the support and resistance, and we are below the liquidity, so we are not supposed to do a long. So it gives us another form of filter to have a much more accurate trade. And over here there is another moving average cross over here, so we are below the liquidity, so meaning that the price will start to goes down. Okay, goes down. And as over here you can see as the trading strategy asking us to do a buy, so we do a buy over here, so we will be stuck. Okay, even though it's a good sign of a strategy, okay, with a strong support over here, stronger than here, meaning that it can goes up, but we will be stuck in a low liquidity area. So as a trader, you can decide to enter at a smaller lot size so that you are emotionally stable. Okay, so that if you open a huge lot size, if you are stuck for days or weeks, you know, it will impair your analysis for the current market. Okay, so same over here, there is a moving average cross over here asking we ought to do a short, and we are above the liquidity, so it's not a good area for us to do a short, even the simple signal telling us to do. So it gives us another form of filter, and see what happened actually. Okay, there is low liquidity, we will be stuck here for days or weeks until we saw another moving average cross over here, so we are clear of all the area of liquidity. And look guys, this is where actually we send the short signal for our group member to sell, and we got about nearly 800 pips here. Okay, so this is a technique that been given to you guys for the trading strategy. Okay, so after we cover the area of liquidity, okay, the next blind spot that most traders have, including myself when I just started trading, we are so focused on the trading strategy that we forget the structure. Okay, structure meaning, okay, are we buying at a following the trend, or are we buying against the trend? Okay, so over here, let's say there is a signal to us to sell, telling us to sell. So with a glimpse over here, we can see that actually over here the price is getting lower, getting lower. So with confidence, it's telling us that okay, the structure is going down and we can hold the trade with many pips. Okay, so this is a structure to assist us on our blind spot. Okay, so the next one will be alert. Okay, there will be also an alert, arrow alert, which will inform us, you know, that there is a potential setup. So what we need to do is we need to verify, okay, verify whether this is a quality trade or not. So as a trader, we can take some time off the computer rather than sit, you know, in front of the computer 24/7, you know, to spot for a setup. So for this one, it will tell us there is a potential setup, but we need to do the checks again. Okay, and finally, okay, so a lot of traders when they trade, they always ask me, okay, so where do we exit? Okay, there is an entry rule. So where is the exit rule? Exit rule is important as a trader. It gives you confidence to hold your trade, for one. For two is that you are able, when you get the right trade, you want to ride it. You want to get the maximum profit. Okay, because all trading strategy have a probability. So for this trading strategy, it have about 58% winning probability, okay, to 60, which I have mentioned earlier in the earlier video. So for this, you must know that it's not 100%, you have a winning probability. So once we get the winning probability, we want to maximize the profit. So how is the exit rule? Okay, the exit rule is that we have to put in the Bollinger Band, okay, deviation 1. So example over here, when we do a short, after we done all the support, resistance, the liquidity, the structure, we do a short. Okay, so as long as we are in these two band, deviation 2 and deviation 1, at the lowest part of the Bollinger Band, okay, we can maintain, okay, maintain and stay. Okay, and finally, what do we see? We see a bullish candle that break the deviation 1. So over here, we still can stay because the bullish candle close in between this deviation one. Okay, for this candle, okay, bearish candle, it closed outside the deviation, but it is a bearish candle, so we still can stay. Okay, stay, maximize our profit until what do we want to see? We want to see a bullish candle that close above the deviation one here, deviation one, without touching it. So if we were to do a short over here, so our exit will be at this candle. Okay, so there is about 770 pips. Okay, so it is a very simple technique. Okay, this is a summary. Okay, simple entry rule. Just wait for the moving average 14 to cross the center Bollinger Band. There is support and resistance to tell us where are the area of significance we are supposed to avoid. And it also tell us the area of liquidity. The strategy also tell us the structure, give us an alert and an exit rule. So this all this indicator and the full tutorial on how to use this trading system will be taught for free to those who sign up for FX Primer's account with minimum USD 100 funding for new client. For existing client who are active, we will be giving it to you for free. Okay, and for new client who sign up for this month, you will get a USD $10 credited to your trading account, and you will also get up to 50% credit bonus when you do your funding. So this also apply for the current trader for the credit bonus. Okay, once again, I thank you guys for your support, and our team is currently doing its final phase on the doing the license for the indicators. So once it's ready, we will roll up to all our active client who has been supporting us. So this is a form of us supporting you guys back, and I hope you guys can share this good news to the rest of your trading buddies who have not joined us with lots of education support and promotion. Once again, I thank you for your time and see you guys soon. Bye bye.